Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to make embed links in Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to send the embed links, what you have to do is simply go to the desired server. After you do that, tap on the channel of your choice. Now you can see over here that channel has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to see the message bar. What you have to do is tap on it. Now what you have to do is enter the text that you want the link to be embedded on. For that what you have to do is enclose the text in the square bracket. Open the square bracket. Now what you have to do is enter your text over here. Now close the square bracket. Now immediately what you have to do is simply open the small bracket. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter the link over here. Make sure you have the link with you. Now after you enter the link, what you have to do is simply close the small bracket. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the clickable text with the embed link has been sent. But if you want to hide this preview, you can also do that. For that, what you have to do is enter the text within the square bracket like normal. Now immediately what you have to do is simply open the small bracket. Now what you have to do is simply open the pointed bracket over here. The pointed bracket is basically the lesser than and greater than sign. After you do that, enter the link. Now close the pointed bracket. Likewise close the small bracket. After you do that, hit the send button. Now you can see over here the preview is not sent, only the text is sent. Now if somebody taps on this text, you can see over here they'll be able to visit this particular link. So like this, you'll be able to send the embed links. So that is how you embed links in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.